to use Derivan Cracking Medium. First up, you'll need a base coat, and in this example I'm using the tangy orange in the chalkboard paint range. Next, you need to put a really good amount of the Derivan Cracking Medium over the top of that orange and leave to dry. Now it's time to apply your top coat. I'm using ultra blue and white. I'm going to very loosely mix these two colours together so they strand. I'm applying the top coat in different directions and different thicknesses to show you how you can get different types of cracks. The paint has dried and the cracks have appeared. The cracks follow the way the brush goes. So here you'll notice they go this way, and here you notice they'll go that way. Where the paint is applied thinly, you get thin cracks, and when it's applied thickly, you get thick cracks. And that's how you use cracking medium. You just need to follow the steps.